Basic counting principles. Basic counting principles has two elements, the sum rule and the product rule. Let's define the sum rule. If a set X is the union of disjoint, non-empty subsets S sub 1, S sub 2, and so on, then the absolute X is equal to absolute of S sub 1 plus absolute of S sub 2, and so on. That is, the whole is the sum of its parts. If S sub 1, S sub 2, and so on were joint sets, then a more general principle called the principle of inclusion-exclusion principle will be used. Example, suppose a card is drawn from an ordinary card deck of playing cards. In how many ways we can draw a heart or a spade? Since there are 13 hearts and 13 spades of cards, we can use the sum rule. So 13 hearts plus 13 spades is equal to 26 ways. We can draw a heart or a spade in 26 ways from a ordinary deck of cards. And now let's proceed to the product rule. If S sub 1, S sub 2, and so on are non-empty sets, then the number of elements in the Cartesian product S sub 1 times S sub 2 times so on is the product. It is like multiplying all the elements. Example, suppose we will form a 3-digit number using the digits 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed if digits may be repeated? The answer is there will be 343 3-digit numbers that can be formed. Since there are 7 digits to choose from, let's just multiply all the elements. 7 times 7 times 7 is equal to 343. Basic counting principle is a tool in which will help the computer science students or professionals in providing different possible outcome solutions in their projects. In line with this, in a certain programming language, there will be different outcome of possible variables that may be easily accessed using basic counting principles. Thank you.